computer system, be it your calculator, your phone, understands this, anything you are telling it, computer will interpret it as 1 and 0. How do electric current flow? Remember, in physics, we said a wavelength is the distance between two successive crests or troughs, right? The distance between two crests or two troughs is the wavelength. So in physics, the distance from here to here is what we call what? Lambda. Lambda is the symbol for wavelength, right? This is wavelength. But this is wavelength at the crest. This is also wavelength. This is wavelength at the trough. People that will understand me better are people that are science inclined. So this is wavelength at the crest. This is wavelength at the trough. Now, to calculate wavelength, the formula for wavelength is W equals to frequency times what? Lambda. Okay? This lambda is the distance between these two successive crests or trough. The distance from here to here, the distance from here to here is the wavelength. The distance from here to here, distance from here to here is the wavelength. Which means wavelength for crest, wavelength for trough must be sinusoidal. That is how electricity came to be. Sinusoidal current. When we say that V is equals to IR, plotting voltage against current, to plot the chart of the impedance, the resistance. Is that not what we said in basic electricity? Now, moving further, I am trying to express that everything in life, electricity of Michael Faraday, gives free energy, enthalpy, entropy, thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, unit operation, heat transfer. Everything is working under the basic principle of 1 and 0. Is either is yes or no.